Okay, getting ready to finish the last two rod bearings on this Continental crank. It's a F140. Look how out of round this journal is. Now 0 is my target. So we're trying to go 10. It should clean up, but look at it move about 3. Now the other side of the journal isn't that bad. See, about a half to 1. You can actually see the wear on the journal, so we're going to clean this baby up. Okay, we start on one journal. You can see it's still the right size. Just got to line it so it'll feed her up. Let's put the gauge on it so we get that line out of there.
Gotten what you want.
Okay, working on the water pump here on our old 1953 620 Gray. This is the gear type. This is before rubber impellers, where they actually had 2 gears that precision calibration or precision clearance, I should say, in between actually creates a vacuum. So they use grease cups. So these 2 little cups here we fill with grease, and then there's check valves in the housing right down in there. So you actually are supposed to, every so often, sooner than later, is you're supposed to turn these screw cups in to pack more grease into the pump so this doesn't wear out. Because you can see these are wear items, and they're almost impossible to get parts for now. So this pump looks to be in absolutely great shape. So I just took it apart, cleaned it up, put some new packing in there, and we're going to put it together. Okay, test run on our Gray 620. Thing runs awesome. was the last time I heard something idle that low and that good? Like 28 pounds of oil pressure at like 400 RPM. I love these things, man. They idle so good. They're such good engines. Going in a 1953 or 4 Lyman Islander. Rewound the generator to 12 volt. Went through the starter. Went through the, luckily the water pump was good. Cleaned that all up, repacked it. Got this little jack shaft deal off the generator like a lot of the Grays did. Adjusted the transmission right through the distributor. New wires, plugs, totally everything got done. This thing hadn't ran in many, many years. This is the engine, if you follow my stuff, that had all the corn and the rice or whatever in the engine and the manifolds. So another one out the door here at the World HQ.
Just tell me what to